What about the tropics? Speaking of hurricanes, we don't have anything going on. Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean, Atlantic, nothing really of concern. Couple of tropical waves way out here. We'll keep an eye on these, but they're not really faring all that well, and none of the models want to spin these up into anything. A lot of dry air in the Atlantic right now and some wind shear. It's starting to relax a little bit, so conditions may be a smidgen better than what it's been, but nothing really expected to spin up here in the next 5 to even 7 days. Satellite radar, we have that persistent trough in the east that's keeping our southwest wind flow going. It changes a little bit today, and we do have some of that African Saharan layer way up in the atmosphere. That's going to push in and squelch the rain chances a little bit. So not going to be quite as many as the showers and storms we've seen, but there still will be scattered showers and storms out there today. Maybe a little bit of milky white appearance to the sky. Here's Vipercast. Through the morning, we're A-OK all the way through about lunchtime, and then in the afternoon we start to get a few showers and storms that fire on up. The flow in Palm Beach County pushing everything just barely inland, but the flow along the Treasure Coast pushing everything still back towards the coast. And you see as we get into the evening hours, still a chance for a shower storm, a little bit greater for the Treasure Coast and around the lake than the coastal areas of Palm Beach County. So rain chances this week steady, where they should be this time of year. A good scattering of showers and thunderstorms each and every afternoon to help etch away at this drought here, little by little at a time. That's what we need, kind of a steady pace going in through the rest of the rainy season. Sea's only a couple feet for the boaters. Looking good out there for you. Beach day looks good too. You may have to run into a few showers and storms late in the day, though. Wear the sunblock. UV index with all that sunshine will be quite high. 7-day forecast, highs in the low to middle 90s each and every day, and each afternoon in varying degrees, showers and thunderstorms, but a good steady shot of them through next weekend.